I'm Cori.
And I'm Mark.
And we are the creative force behind the Reset Girl shop. My major product that we sell in our store is planner stickers. So the planner community is really just a huge, diverse group of people who have a passion for, a paper planner. Whether it's a ring-bound planner like a Filofax, or it's more of a coil-bound planner like an inkwell press planner. It's not as robust as actual scrapbooking. It's really small baby steps into the world of being creative. There are so many girls who are contributing to the Planner Girl marketplace. I would say probably 95% of the ones that do make stickers are using the Silhouette product.
My workflow is I get my creative genius over here to come up with an idea. I jockey all the pixels around in Adobe Illustrator, print it out, take them over to the Silhouette, and send it through Silhouette Connect on Adobe Illustrator, and you're off and running and cutting your sticker sheets. It's very versatile and works great. I'm very impressed with it.
The fantastic thing about the Silhouette is it doesn't require a fancy degree. It's a product that anyone at home can use. It's all about making your vision come true using it. With the Silhouette, you're only constrained by your imagination. The sky is literally the limit with this machine.